Hey y'all. Yeah. How y'all doing out there? Hope everybody doing. Shout out to all the Aquarius. Yeah. Shout out to all my funny acting people. Funny acting family. Right. Y'all, Julio, Foolio, suspect makes appalling request to court. Yeah. Now, before we do anything, do this. Close that screen door and start letting all them flies up in here. Now y'all know how I feel about flies coming in the house, right? Won't need no flies in the chicken, right? Y'all, let me tell you what's going on. Tell y'all what's going on. The young man that you see on the picture right here with Julio Foolio, name is Rashad Murphy. Murphy was one of the suspects arrested in the unaliving the Florida rapper Julio Foolio, which is in the picture as well. Now, let me tell you for those who didn't know. Now, the slating was fueled by an ongoing feud that Julio been having between a rival gang in Tampa. Okay, that's the statement that the Tampa police said. Now, the Jacksonville rapper, whose real name is Charles Jones, was fatally shot. He was shot early June the 23rd in a parking lot of an uptown Tampa hotel. Now, people, y'all share this video, share the video, okay? Yeah. Cut the music, DJ. Thank you so much.
Are all accused of playing a role in Jones's death.
The murder case of Florida rapper Julio is taking another wild turn as one of the alleged shooters wants to get rid of his lawyer and surprisingly represent himself. And that can get kind of dicey, not only because you have no law experience, but also because this isn't traffic court. It's a murder case that, if convicted, a jury could not only send you away for life, but also, though, to put you to death. Rashad Murphy has been in jail since his arrest last summer. He, along with his cousin Davion and another man named Sean Gathright, are accused of gunning down rapper Julio Foolio, whose real name
For their planned out murder.
But Rashad, Davion, and Sean aren't the only ones charged in connection to the Jacksonville rapper's murder. It's 5 people total. Alicia Andrews and Isaiah Chance Jr. are also charged. And despite not being accused of pulling the trigger, instead just tracking down and following Julio Foolio leading up to his murder, they're still charged with first-degree murder. But back to Rashad. Just last week, he made a request for a trial, given you're facing the ultimate punishment of death. Now, according to Action News Jax, he was warned by his attorney and the judge against this. But it seems like Rashad still wants to move forward as his own lawyer. And this isn't the only issue he has. Earlier this month, he wrote a letter to the judge saying he's frustrated with his treatment in jail, telling the judge he's being treated as if he's already guilty. The deputies won't let him send mail or call his lawyers or prepare for his case. But here's the thing. Investigators have a lot of evidence on the entire group.
The investigation would later reveal that the 3 armed shooters were Sean Gathright, Rashad Murphy, and Davion Murphy. Detectives used footage from the scene, license plate readers, and phone logs to identify two vehicles and link them back to the suspects. Furthermore, it's found that the shooters are members of or affiliated with rival gangs of Jones that go by ATK and 1200. Jones was part of the six.
Okay, y'all. Go back to Rashad. Let me get a picture of Rashad. This is Rashad Murphy, y'all. As you heard just a few minutes ago, Rashad decided to move forward representing himself. Okay. Now, what Rashad did, y'all, he submitted a request demanding a speedy trial against his attorney wishes, and also asked for the dismissal of his legal counsel altogether. What is he thinking about? Murphy wants to move forward, y'all, representing himself in court. He mentioned that Wednesday. I'm good with it. I'm competent. That's what he said. Both the judge and Murphy attorney Brian Gonzalez warned him against the move, saying it's extremely dangerous considering Murphy's life is at risk. This is his death penalty case, y'all. I don't know what he thinking about. So that's what I want to bring into y'all. See what they're going to say about that.
It's a very serious thing, but I'm just kind of surprised that he wants to go that route in this case. And then on Tuesday, this coming Tuesday, the state is expected to hold a hearing to see if Rashad is in the right state of mind and able to move forward with the speedy trial. What all could that entail? What could we expect from a hearing like that?
Well, you have to be found competent to stand trial. You have to know and understand the proceedings in front of you. You have to be able to assist with your defense. But then when it comes to representing yourself, you have to know what you're getting into here.
That's right.
You have to know that you've just waived your right to have a lawyer on a case that could lead to your death. This is a death penalty case. And death penalty lawyers are death penalty certified. And here's a guy who is not a lawyer, who is just clearly full of himself that he thinks he can do
right here. While we at it, do y'all think that Rashad have a sense of knowing that he has no hope? Have he given up on life? Do he think they gonna charge is gonna be dismissed? What is he thinking, or do he know they're gonna get death penalty? Cause I ain't never seen nobody do this. But let me see. Now it said Murphy is charged. Y'all, he is charged with first degree murder. First degree murder. Conspiracy to commit murder. 3 counts of first degree attempt murder. And tampering with physical evidence. This is what this young man who right here with Julio is charged with. So I got that. What I was asking y'all, do y'all think that he don't have a chance? But also he don't have to pay the public defender. Why do he want to talk? But like I said, y'all, the judge demanded for a speedy trial, approved it. Now, early this month, like I said, Murphy wrote a letter to his judge expressing his frustration at his treatment in jail and a desire to get it out quickly. What make you think that you what this do he see something ain't right? It's no way he could talking about the his frustration at his treatment in jail. What about Julio? He's not here anymore. His mama frustrated. His family frustrated. They don't have their son anymore. Now, Murphy claims certain deputies, y'all, will not let him send mail. Call my lawyers. Call his lawyers. Well, you say you didn't want no lawyer. Prepare for my case sitting. Behind me while I'm in law library, only giving me 15 minutes. What make him think that he has special privileges? Murphy previously said that he was considering an insanity plea. Ain't that something? So what they're going to do next week, y'all, is going to hold a hearing to determine if he in an acceptable state of mind and able to move forward with the speedy trial. I don't think you need to have that speedy trial because he's not talking right. But that's his job. That's what he want to do. So the hearing, y'all, they just had today. Hold on, let me check this out. Hold on, they had the day at the 4th at 11 a.m. Let me see. Hold on. Let's see what's going on here, y'all. Yeah, the day at the 4th. Man, I read that. Let's see. Court date. Let me put today. No, they showed him 4 weeks ago. But they said today. They showed him 4 weeks ago, showed him a month ago, but 8 hours ago. Let me see. No, that ain't it. I don't know, y'all. I don't see it. Now, let me show y'all this. Let's take a look at this, y'all. Let's share the screen right now. Okay. Let's take a look at this. Oops. Now, this is how we already seen this, but when he went to court, this was 4 weeks ago. Maybe they didn't.
Person connected to the murder of Jacksonville rapper Charles Jones, known as Julio, is in custody. The Jacksonville Sheriff's Office says it found 27-year-old Davian Murphy at an apartment complex on LaBelle Street last night. Police had been looking for him for over 6 months. News Tracks reporter Lisa Hatcher was there for his first appearance in court. We're just leaving Murphy's first court appearance where the judge said he's charged with a first-degree murder. This is just the start to a lengthy process for the murder of Foolio. Mr. Murphy, if you could come to the front of the courtroom, sir, where the microphone is. For more than 6 months, multiple law enforcement agencies searched for Murphy, only to find him in Jacksonville Monday night.
A group of individuals with the goal of premeditated murder traveled from Jacksonville to Tampa.
Last June, Julio Foolio was shot and killed outside a Tampa hotel while celebrating his 26th birthday. Alicia Andrews, Isaiah Chance, Sean Gathright, and Rashad Murphy were arrested in connection to Foolio's death. Murphy was the fifth suspect law enforcement was looking for.
You're charged with murder in the first degree.
I had our crime and safety analyst Tom Hackney weigh in on Murphy's arrest. If Murphy was here in Jacksonville the entire time, what took JSO so long to catch him?
Yeah, that does raise a couple questions. Some people who know that they're wanted, if they continue to move around and continue to not be in places that JSO may know where to look for, it certainly does. It makes them harder to put their hands on. They depend a lot of times on co-defendants testifying against each other. So between police and prosecutors, they will look at maybe who the parties involved are who may benefit the case by providing them some limited sentences.
I reached out to Julio's attorney for comment, and they sent back in part. While this development brings us closer to accountability, Julio was a talented artist whose life was taken far too soon. We will continue to support his family through this difficult journey and remain committed to ensuring that those responsible are held fully accountable. Alicia Hatcher, Channel 4,
Now, that's Rashad. Now, this thing said that he's supposed to went to court today. I don't have that. And then right here, they saying they delayed the trial. I don't know what's going on. What's going on with the girl? Yeah, what's going on?
yes, if we started on the 18th and had 2 weeks, I think that would be fine.
That's also fine. This is her. So,
Okay. And Mr. McLamon, how are you looking then? How many jurors? All right. So then we will go ahead and reset this case for trial beginning Monday, August 18th at 9 a.m. And I'll set aside 2 weeks. It's not going to take a full 2 weeks, but under abundance of caution, I'll set it aside. But I think it'll be more like a week and a day.
So that is the young lady. I'm looking for. I know. Well, she's sitting there like ain't nothing happening. Wow, how much helped. Now, let me see. Let me see some y'all. They said the hearing is scheduled for Tuesday, February the 4th. At 11 a.m. So let me see. Can I find one more time? One more again. Okay, sorry about that. My fault. I can't find it, y'all. I can't find. Wait a minute. They said something about, hold on, what weeks ago. No, that ain't it. All right, y'all. That's all I got for y'all. And I would keep y'all informed when something else come up about Foolio trial or anything. Well, that's all I got, y'all. I thought they would have a hearing, but that's it.